Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
India is said to be the fastest growing drone market in the world. As per PwC report, Indian drone market will grow to 885 million by 2021 and is expected to reach 1810 million by financial year 2026 with a compound annual growth rate of 14.61%. Recently, two big Indian firms have signed a MoU to indigenously develop a transport drone which can carry a total payload of 150 kg. The drone has been designed by New Space Analysis and Applied Sciences, a Bengaluru-based startup in partnership with SpiceJet. As per the CEO of New Space, the design of drone is entirely in-house and has been made possible by the expertise New Space have achieved as of now. New Space is also working with HAL for the development of Combat Air Teaming System or CATS project, Infinity, Satellite and Swan drones. So one should not be surprised by the development of long-range heavy lift transport UAV by New Space. The Long Range Heavy Lift Drone or HL-150 has been developed to reduce the response time for delivering any essentials in the time of need. HL-150 will be able to transport 150 kilograms of cargo to a distance of 150 kilometers. The drone can fly at a speed of up to 100 kilometers per hour. It is designed to operate in rough weather and capable of high altitude operations over Himalayas as well. The core of the drone will be the advanced computing system which allows drones to operate autonomously while taking independent decisions based on artificial intelligence algorithms developed by New Space. HL-150 will have the autonomous takeoff, landing, navigation and delivery of the cargo. The drones take off and land vertically like a helicopter using an electric motor. They are powered through their ride by an internal combustion engine. HL-150 will be ready by 2024 or 2025. HL-150 is different with most other drones being developed for e-commerce operations around the world. At the moment, commercial drone operations are mostly limited to last mile delivery where a product weighing 1 to 5 kg is usually transported to its final destination. Heavyweight drones will accomplish the transport of up to 100 to 150 kg over relatively long distance. These will be integrated with widespread air cargo network and make express delivery services accessible to customers and business in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities and rural India. A package which takes up to 72 hours to deliver will be delivered between 8 to 12 hours. This type of drone will also find multiple applications in civil, medical, e-commerce, natural disaster and military.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comments section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.